Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the new So Jaded Kathleen Lifetime's Colourpop palette. I'm doing this really pretty, colorful, soft, and subtle wearable look using this palette. So if you want to see how I get this look, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. Excuse me if I don't pronounce all of these shades right, but the first shadow we're getting into is Aquamarine. I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 18 blending brush. I'm going to start to blend it and move in outward swiper motions with the tip of the brush. In the outer corner of my eyelid, I'm sort of pouncing the big fluffy brush right there. I'm going to start to blend it all over the lid. I'm not going to focus as much of the mauve shadow as I did in the outer corner all over, but I'm just going to take whatever's left on my brush and start to swipe it forward. I'm moving in back and forth swiper motions. And then what I'll do in the outer corner is sort of work my way up. So I'll go ahead and blend upward like that. Blend away right here, and then what I'll do is I'll add Aquamarine, however you pronounce it, onto the other side. We're going to get into some shimmer shades. So the shimmer shade we'll get into first is Sunstone. I'm using this pointed pencil brush that is also from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection from BH Cosmetics. So I'm taking my pencil brush and I'm swiping the inner corner. I moved over the crease a little bit of my own eyelid, and then I'm going to put the green right here in the center, and then the blue over here as well, and then I'll top it off with glitter. The next shimmer shade we'll get into is Peridot. So I'm taking the pencil brush now into this beautiful green shade, and I'm going to take that on the very edge of the golden orange shimmer that we applied, and then I just continue swiping it onto the lid and diffusing it lightly on the edges. I use more pressure when I swipe in the spot I want the shimmer, and then as I go to the edges I lightly blend, and I have to blend this part as well where the two colors meet. I am going to be putting, I'm using my finger just to blend it out a little bit further. I am going to be putting glitter over it, so it's just kind of like a base of the glitter. The next shimmer shade we'll get into is Aquamarine. If you're following along and you're using the same pencil brush, try to clean it off. If you have a spot cleaner, go ahead and spray it, clean it off. If you have a napkin, wipe it off. And from there, I'll start at the base of the lash and I'll move it upward. I'm going to take more of Aquamarine and I'm just going to move it upward. I'm just using a swipe going out as I move upward over the crease of the eye, just like that. I'm gonna take a little bit of my finger. I really want the blue to be more prominent. There we go. And then what I'll do from there is take more of the first matte shadow, the Amarite, or is that what it's called? Aquamarine. And I'll take my big fluffy brush in this outer corner and sort of diffuse that outer corner. We're gonna top off our shimmers with some topaz glitter. So I'm gonna use my pinky and I'm gonna press the glitter in the inner corner, and I'll press it over both the orange and green shimmer shades. I'm taking more of topaz and I'm going to continue to press it with my pinky and pressing it over. There we go. Okay, I'm going to clean up the bottom of my eye and then apply topaz to the other eye. And we'll also get into some of the opal glitter as well. And if you're following along with the tutorial and you feel like you need to apply more Aquamarine, go ahead and apply a little bit in the same area where we applied it at first, and then we'll apply opal right on top with opal and my ring finger. And I'm not going to apply as much, I'm just gonna sort of tap my finger all around this area And so now what I'll do is I'll add Opal to the other side, and not only that, I'm going to pop on some lashes. This is another collaboration with someone I really love, Brittany Bear. So Salon Perfect and her have collaborated on creating some lashes and some nails, which is really cool. So I'm going to use the Bearified Lash today. So I'm really excited to pop these on. I'm going to do a makeup miracle moment, and a makeup miracle moment has occurred. So let's get into the lower lash line. It's gonna be super simple. What I am gonna do is go back into Aquamarine. I'll use the number 5 flat thick dense brush from the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection, and I'm only taking a very little bit of Aquamarine. I'm placing it on the lower lash line and just sweeping it back and forth. I don't want to bring this too low, I just want to keep it close. I'm adding the Mercier Caviar Lash Mascara. I love this mascara. For lips, I'll be wearing a combination of the Thrive Causemetics Lip Filler Lip Liner in Jessie and the sparkling lip gloss from Mercier. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using this beautiful palette. If you want to know my thoughts on the palette, I've used this palette about 6 times. I think this is my 6th time today. And yeah, everything, it's like other Colourpop palettes. Beautiful. I think there's a great combination of neutrals and colors. So you can do plenty of neutral looks, beautiful warm neutral looks, and you can do soft colorful looks like the one we did today. You can also do some like more bold, smokier, colorful looks, which is really pretty. You can do a themed green look, a themed blue, a themed purple. You can mix up the colors, a green and an orange, or a green and a brown, a purple and a blue. You can do red and a blue. You can do all kinds of things with this palette. So I really like this palette. I think it's really pretty. I like that it's big because there's like so many choices. What else do I have to say? You can create just so many really pretty, I think there's a lot of really pretty soft looks that you can create that are colorful like this one today. So yeah, if you did like this tutorial, make sure to like it. If you are thinking about picking up this palette, let me know down below. So that's it for today. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.